What is the difference between best interests and substituted judgment? Have you ever wondered how decisions are made for someone who can no longer make choices for themselves? In the world of elder law, particularly in guardianship and conservatorship, two important concepts come into play: the best interest standard and substituted judgment. Let's break down what these terms mean and how they differ. Substituted judgment is a standard used when a guardian makes decisions based on what the individual would have chosen if they were able to decide for themselves. This approach honors the person's values, preferences, and past choices. For example, if the individual was passionate about painting, the guardian might support activities related to art. The goal here is to preserve the person's identity and autonomy, making decisions that reflected their known interests. On the other hand, the best interest standard is applied when the individual cannot express their preferences, and there is not enough information about their wishes. In this case, the guardian must decide what is best for the person's overall well-being, health, and safety. This standard focuses on what the guardian believes will benefit the individual the most, rather than what the individual would have chosen. It takes into account various factors like medical needs, emotional health, and social circumstances. To summarize, substituted judgment is about making decisions that align with the individual's known values and choices. Best interests, however, is about determining what is objectively best for the person when their preferences are unclear. From an elder law perspective, using substituted judgment is preferred when possible, as it respects the individual's autonomy. However, when there is insufficient information about the person's wishes, the best interest standard serves as a safeguard to ensure their welfare is protected. Guardians have a significant responsibility in applying these standards. They must carefully consider the individual's dignity and rights while addressing their needs. Understanding the difference between these two standards is essential for anyone involved in guardianship and conservatorship. It helps ensure that decisions made truly reflected the best care and respect for the individual's life story.